Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, happy Mask Monday, ladies. It is Monday, and guess what? First Monday of October 2022. Can you guys believe it? Halloween is right around the corner. And then, guess what? Thanksgiving, then the holidays. Christmas, New Year's, and here we go, starting a whole new year. Oh my God, it's just so much to really absorb. But anyway, we don't need to absorb that today, because what we're gonna do today is we're gonna relax and do a couple of masks. And my choice today is the Ahava Under Eye Dead Sea Mask, and also Turn That Frown Upside Down by the Creme Shop. And it is the mask for here. I don't know what you call this part of the mouth. Yeah, outside of the mouth. So, and also I have a late birthday card, not on a part of the person who sent it, because it's postmarked for the 2 days before my birthday, but on a part of my beautiful, happy, positive, and great operating USPS. But that's okay. So anyway, if you're interested in those things and revealing the winner from last week's Mask Monday ladies giveaway, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I'm just so happy to be here with you guys. And if I did this perfectly correct, I think I revealed yesterday, which was my Sunday video, 4 people from the Gently Loved, Gently Swatched palette giveaway. And I hope I was able to get that up. If not, I guess it's coming up. But I think I did. But let's hope, because I'm actually recording this as that one. I've already chosen the winners, and it's sitting in my computer, and I have to put on my makeup and do all the magical things, because I need to talk to you about a couple of things that I said I would talk to you about in yesterday's video. But that's nor here nor there, because it's already past, right? I cannot fix yesterday. So anyway, so before I get started, I just want to go ahead and open this card. And I actually don't even know who it's from, because there is no return address, but I have a feeling I know this handwriting, and it's somebody from, at least I know it's somebody from Kansas City. I'm gonna say it's you, Glenna, but maybe not. But in the back of it, it's got a birthday little sticker. You see how so very cute, it says happy birthday, and it says my neighbor says hi. It's, yeah, I think the neighbor must be a cow. So okay, and beautiful little stickers along the way. So I'm really dying to open it, and I actually seriously received this on Friday, which was a couple of days ago, but still, I mean, that was the 30th, was it? 30th. And I'm like, okay, that's like 8 days late. Wait, what's happening with my mail? And you know what's funny? But my junk mail is getting here, like my voting stuff. I'm like, okay, why is this getting here on time? Because it's required, I guess, right? So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and open this card before I put anything on, because I don't know how well these things are going to stay on my face. And I want to make sure that I can do this right, since one of my beautiful wildflowers took the time to send me a card for my birthday. And I want to make sure nothing like flies out of here like, yep, stickers. Okay. All right, it says happy birthday. Oh, and look how cute. These are like 3D. Sit back and relax all week long. You deserve it. So cute. Oh my gosh, this is just so happy colors, right? Look at that. And these are like 3D. It's you know, it's kind of cool. No wonder I was like, what is that fluffy thing underneath? So what does it say on the inside? And on the inside, it says, sit back and relax all week long. You deserve it. The reason why I knew that is because it's on the back as well. And it says, saw this card and thought of you. You would be the one asking everyone on the beach, did you apply sunscreen? That is so true. And I do that. And when I see a little kid running around, and you know, I see that they don't have sunscreen on. It's clear they don't. I pull one out of my purse and give it to the mom and say, here's some sunscreen for your child. Looks like, you know, like she or he is like being burned. I had a couple of times people give me a dirty look and like, mind your own business. I'm like, okay, at least I tried. So anyway, you are correct and I was right. It says, happy birthday, love, Glenna. Enjoy your day. And she actually said, try to. See, she wrote in, try to sit back and relax. Yeah, you know me way too well because yes, it is hard for me to relax. On top of that, she sent me some really cute stickers, a butterfly, which you know I love, and you heard me say that. And I had this thing about, this is really weird, right? This is funny. I mean, I had such a fight one time with my, many decades ago with my ex-husband about flamingos. I wanted to put a couple of plastic flamingos in the front yard of our home. And this was out east, okay? It was like North Carolina. Everybody had flamingos. I mean, at least, you know, back then. And then it wouldn't let me put flamingos. So anyway, I really like flamingos. And thank you for that. And here is a squirrel with a box of popcorn or nuts. And this one, which I saw this and I said, oh my God, this is so cute. I got to find a place to put this. And that's a little cat with glasses. So thank you so much, Glenna. This was so kind of you. Okay. And I'm now going to go ahead and I am sorry for getting this so late. I'm going to have to tell my post office, look, I'm going to charge you every day a late fee, okay? So, So anyway, before I go on, I'm going to go ahead and apply this because I want to go ahead and show you the winner from last week's Mask Monday Ladies. And yeah, and I think that should be it. And I'm going to go ahead and see. This is the Deciem Osmolar Eye Mask. The eye mask is infused with concentrated osmolar ahava's exclusive natural Deciem mineral composition. It elevates moisture to its optimum level, smooths dry lines and wrinkles, and minimizes fatigue signs. Apply to clean skin for 10 minutes and remove and massage the excess cream into your skin. And ophthalmologist tested, which is good. Okay, and you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try this because I would like to have a nice softness underneath my eyes before I apply makeup because I'm doing a video. And it says approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. So, okay, let's go ahead and give this one a try. And this is very, yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. And then the other one is the La Creme Shop Turned That Frown Upside Down Smoothing Hydrogel Frown Line Patches, Collagen and Retinol and Beeswax. There it is. It says apply onto dry skin, wear for 3 hours or overnight. Gently remove patch and discard remaining serum in the skin. You know what? I'm not going to do this one. I don't have 3 hours because I got to put makeup on. I didn't know this was 3 hours or overnight. How are you going to put it on overnight? If I put this on my face overnight, it's going to end up like on my eyebrows and one in my hair. Okay, maybe I'll try it for 3 hours when I have a 3 hour downtime. Okay, so that being said, I'm glad I read the directions and because I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out, this ahava stuff here. And, ooh, it's kind of juicy. I didn't expect that. And it looks like look at this. It's like open up a container and one's on one side, one on the other. Oh, and they do come with a little, okay. Somebody's alarm is going off there. Okay, it looks like these are packaged really well, actually. I mean, it comes with a little sheet of protector. And let's see if I can do this. Okay. I don't want to get it in my eye, but I want to get it high enough where it just goes, you know what? I really like this. I had this from, it must came in my box because I don't foresee myself buying this on its own. But I'm going to have to check it out because I do have like a whole box of them. And I think I have sent this on some of my giveaways too. So if you've gotten them, please try it. This feels, oh my gosh, this feels so soothing. Okay, can you see it right there? Oh my gosh, I'm just going to go ahead and put this on and chill. And I can talk and do everything with this. This is a good deal. There's no fragrance, but it's just like, it's clean smelling. And it is fragrance free, by the way, but it is very clean smelling. And so, yeah. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and hop on over to the giveaway video. Here we go. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Melinda. I'm so excited for you. And as you know what to do, go ahead and get in touch with me. Send me your complete address, because I know I messed this up a while ago when you moved and I used your old address. I'm just going to wait for you to send it to me. Again, one of the things you're going to get, the main thing, is this brand new Smashbox palette. And I want to go ahead and show it to you again. Let me remove the protector. And there it is. Fun, fun, fun. Okie dokie. And you got a bunch of stuff here in front of me that's going to fill the rest of your box. So I hope you enjoy it. And again, congratulations. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I did go ahead and leave that on, and I actually took it off and I pat it under my eyes, and they actually, I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of like brightened under my eyes. I mean, I'm kind of surprised, and I really like it, and I think I'm going to go ahead and start using that. And it is Dead Sea minerals. I almost said salt. Minerals, and it's really, really nice. And I like that it's paraben free, fragrance free, and all that stuff. And so, yeah, if you ever get one, and if I ever send it to you, go ahead and give it a try, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I think that is it. And thank you guys so much. And like I said, I'm going to continue with the giveaways and try to nicely declutter my things. But I have a bunch of great videos coming up for you. And I'm sorry I didn't post so much last week, but we did have at the hospital the Joint Commission, which comes every 3 years to inspect our hospital for our accreditation. And I was extremely busy, and so I was not able to record. But as usual, I will try to get back on the, on the horse and start again. So, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for watching. And for next week's giveaway, we are going to say the word, what is a good word? Next week, let's use the word October. Yeah, next week is October. I'm going to write this down, and that will be the 10, is it, okay. Hold on one second. It's October 10th, next Monday, already. Oh my gosh, I wish I didn't look. So, let's use the word October for the giveaway next week. So, yep, that's that, guys. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of topics, please do subscribe by hitting the subscribe button, ringing a bell, and selecting all, so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. And just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.